Welcome to this modern container home tour. At first glance, it may look like a simple shipping container, but step inside and you'll discover a stylish and functional living space designed with comfort in mind. This home is crafted from a repurposed shipping container, featuring sleek exterior lines and a durable steel structure that's built to last. Large sliding glass doors bring in plenty of natural light, creating an open and airy feeling inside. As we explore further, you'll notice how every detail has been thoughtfully designed to maximize space and functionality. From the compact yet efficient layout to the modern finishes, this container home proves that small living doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or style. Perfect as a tiny house, a guest suite, or even an Airbnb rental, this container home is a true example of innovative and sustainable living. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the container home. This compact yet modern space shows how creativity and smart design can transform a simple shipping container into a comfortable and stylish living solution. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more unique home inspirations and container house designs. See you in the next video.